What happens when an invincible force comes from an immovable thing? When a 200 horsepower superbike is traveling at a speed of 140 miles per hour, the law enforcement will have to deploy the most extreme strategy to imagine.
The Grand Rapids Police Department is crediting the help of a state police helicopter for tracking down a man on a motorcycle who led police on a chase.
Today, we are diving in the 10 most crazy ways the police have stopped chasing dangerous motorcycles throughout history, from the pit to death pits, from the maneuvers to the state-of-the-art technology that can also disable the bike without touching the bike.
What do you mean you didn't endanger anybody? You were standing on your bike going 100 miles per hour.
Some of these methods are so controversial, they have given rise to international debate. Other people are very clever. They will blow your mind. And a case consists of a biker, which is called timeout, in the middle of high-speed search. Buckle up, because what you're going to see would change everything that you thought you knew about the police strategy. Let's start with perhaps the most innovative motorcycle stop in law enforcement history. Arkansas State Police faced a nightmare scenario, a motorcycle traveling at 142 miles per hour, weaving through traffic like a bullet. But what happened next was pure strategic genius. The suspect took the I-430 south exit, unknowingly heading straight toward a second officer.
Hey, go south on 2nd Street. Yeah, I'll be 1037.
Oh, you will?
Yeah, we're going to be going on West Locust. He just ran the red.
I'll call you back.
Southeast of North Arkansas. It's a motorcycle. He's going on a gravel road.
Thinking fast, the trooper drove his cruiser over the median, creating an impossible blockade. The motorcyclist had two choices: stop or crash. They chose to escape from the shoulder, suddenly stopped to chase. This innovative approach not only ended the chase, but also forced the rider to slow down by 142 miles per hour, which was escaping from countless lives.
Charge it. Get on your face. Back you. You want to take a seat there for me?
Am I being arrested?
Well, yeah, you're being arrested. You fled.
Well, so, I mean, I thought that was like a traffic ticket or something.
Well, that's worth that. It's not quite a traffic ticket.
Sometimes frustration becomes unimaginable. July 5th, 2023, Wakefield, Massachusetts, started as a regular traffic stop, became an attack that shocked the nation. The 19-year-old Colin James Webb refused to shut down his engine while riding incorrectly on I-95.
Tell me, Wakefield. I'm off that fire now. 1460, I just passed you. Did he crash or all set?
When the trooper approached on foot, the Webb decided to do a calculation which took almost a life. He proceeded directly in front of his handle with a trooper, pushing the officer backwards into the upcoming traffic. The trooper survived hitting a pickup truck. The Webb was later arrested and faced 12 serious allegations, including an attack with a dangerous weapon. Here's something that'll make your heart stop. Police actually pitting motorcycles. Arkansas State Police have perfected this incredibly dangerous technique that most departments won't even attempt. Pitts maneuvers on motorcycles are considered so dangerous that many experts classify it as the use of deadly force. When a 2,000-pound police contact with a motorcycle at the speed of the cruiser highway, physics is disabled. Nevertheless, Arkansas soldiers have successfully executed these exercises, arguing that high-speed motorcycles pose a major threat to innocent motorists if it is allowed to continue.
Down to my boys! On your knees! On your knees! Face away from me!
When ground units can't keep up, sometimes the sky becomes the battlefield. Michigan State Police helicopter pursuits represent some of the most dramatic chases ever recorded.
The Grand Rapids Police Department is crediting the help of a state police helicopter for tracking down a man on a motorcycle who led police on a chase.
In this incredible footage, a Michigan State Police helicopter tracked a runaway motorcycle driver, which developed the ground units. Using thermal imaging and air coordination, the helicopter directed the ground authorities through residential areas and side roads. The advantage of helicopters: unlimited fuel and a bird's eye view. The advantage of motorcycles: agility that cars simply can't match. But in this case, technology won. Los Angeles, 2015, a chase that had millions watching live TV. This wasn't just about speed, it was about pure spectacle. 23-year-old Philip Hernandez converted his high-speed chase into performance art, traveled over 100 miles per hour, standing on his motorcycle seat, running red lights and killing almost innocent drivers. The media helicopters repeatedly resonated the overhead after standing, appeared to take selfies, and made rude gestures to chase the authorities. At one point, he casually removed his helmet at a dead stop and put in earbuds like he was listening to his chase playlist. The chase ended when he surrendered at a gas station, but not before creating one of the most memorable pursuits in LA history.
What do you mean you didn't endanger anybody? You were standing on your bike going 100 miles per hour.
The UK took motorcycle pursuit to a whole new level with a technique so controversial it sparked international debate, deliberately ramming motorcycles with police cars. Metropolitan Police released shocking footage of officers using tactical contact, essentially ramming moped and motorcycle criminals with patrol cars. The technique, made by specially trained drivers, involves correcting the motorcycle to disable it by reducing the injury to the rider. Critics called it excessive force, but the police argued that it was necessary to combat the growing tide of motorcycle-competent crime harassing British cities. California's aerial persona police make a deadly game of cat and mouse between police helicopters and motorcycles. In this intensive footage of a major news network, the ground unit coordinates with air support to track a suspect through the urban area. Police helicopters tracking motorcycles create the ultimate pursuit challenge. The famous chase dynamics play out in real time as motorcycles use underpasses and tunnels to break visual contact, while helicopters maintain their aerial advantage. The benefits of helicopter pursuit: unlimited fuel range and comprehensive oversight. The benefits of motorcycles: the ability to go places cars simply cannot follow.
Avery Road, 1105.
Based on the information I have, I'm going to be placing you under arrest for dangerous driving and theft, okay?
Michigan, 2024. A pursuit that did not end with the accident, not with arrest, but possible with the most embarrassing reason. A motorcycle driver chased himself in a circus act, chewed the wheel around the police cars, donated the authorities to the middle finger, and reached the dangerous motion through Metro data right. For miles, he taunted the authorities while being armed and dangerous. The chase through the metropolitan area seemed invincible until physics was interfered.
Weaving through traffic lane splitting. Appears to be possibly a black male, black t-shirt, black pants, black helmet, no gloves on. He turned left. He is west on the opposite way on Hamilton, going south on Hamilton. Pretty sure it's the wrong way to go north. Going over the lodge, going westbound.
20, that's another NPI. It looks like it's a white male for 2315.
Coming up to 6th and Lafayette. Female is out at the corner of 6th and Lafayette. Northeast corner of 6th and Lafayette. She's on the northeast corner of the intersection I gave out, walking eastbound, north side, sidewalk, walking east. Through West 4, still northbound on M10. He turned right.
After an extended high-speed search, the motorcycle ran out of the bus. The officials arrested the rider as he was sitting helpless on his fuel-filled bike.
The west side of the intersection, more on Andrews, just west of Joseph Campo. He's hopping back on the bike. In Station 20, whoever's in vehicle 2258.
Sometimes the police do not wait for the right moment. They make one. This technique includes officers using their vehicles, which are in the form of weapons, to help motorcycle drivers. In a controversial strategy caught on dashcam, a state soldier used his patrol car to approach a physical contact with a fleeing motorcycle driver, effectively knocking on the bike.
Exiting 61, going right on south 74. Left. Taking right on the industrial. Took a right on industrial. Still got visual on him. Going to a stop sign. Clear right, clear left. Contact, contact, contact.
The technique requires division time and accurate control, very less force, and rider survives. Much more, and you are working with a deadly force. This is a technique that leads to the razor's edge between effective law enforcement and excessive force.
Here, put your hand behind your back. Here, please, get me. Here you go, I'm sorry. Hello? I'm going back to jail. Oh, geez. I'm not getting locked up. Are you hurt? Yeah, fab. Roll over. Yeah. I've been back there. Yeah. That leg. Okay. You okay? Yeah. You hurt? You hurt? 1095. To me in an NCO. Make contact with the motorcycle. Put your feet forward. Put your feet forward. Yeah. Sit up. Stand up. Stay right here. Man, I'm locked up. We're going. There you go, man. No one. I got you, man. You're not hurt though, right? I'm bleeding. That's fine. Okay. I'm sorry, sir. I'm not mad at you, but you could have. Oh, look, don't pull it out there. Up here? Yeah, you're right there. Okay. Where are you going to right now? Work. Where do you work at? Right here. Oh, sorry, man. Man, you could have got people killed. That one here. I don't know where the hell I was trying. And then I'm gonna work. I got you. Yeah. I don't even know what the hell I was thinking. That's enough, oh Lord. Can I just pick the bike up right there? Don't worry about the bike right now. No, Eddie, please don't. Oh, man, please don't do this, man. Sit back here.
From medieval-style ramming to space-age technology, law enforcement has evolved incredible methods to stop dangerous motorcycle chases. But here's the real question. In a world where a $10,000 motorcycle can outperform most police cars, are these extreme measures necessary? What do you think? Which technique shocked you the most? Let me know in the comments below and subscribe for more incredible law enforcement stories.